Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Same old feeling back again. Uy, nagulat ako. It's the one they had way back then. They were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't got a flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. You got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Come on, guys! She's acting like she used to feel way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back then. I tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh,